Hello everyone, this is Rohit Muranjan. So I'm Net JRF with All India rank 134. Also I'm set qualified. So today I have come up with a very famous equation given by Ramanujan. So sum of all natural numbers equals to minus 1 by 12. So those who are seeing this equation very first time will probably call me insane. But today I'm going to give you proof of this equation. Also we are going to I will explain about the context of this equation as well. Okay, without wasting time, let's begin. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to infinity. So sum of its ultimately will be minus 1 by 12. Okay, so before we start proving this, so let's recall some ingredients. So proving something is like making a delicious recipe. So what we require to make a recipe, we need ingredients. Okay, so first we will collect all the ingredients. So I'm writing all the ingredients required for proving this. So this series 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, so this is alternating series. Okay, so next we will require this b, so which is equals to, okay, and lastly we will have this, the required series. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to evaluate all these three series. So first consider 1 minus a, so means what? We are subtracting this alternating series from 1. So 1 minus a, so what is a? A is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, okay, and so on. So if I multiply this minus sign throughout, I will get 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. And what is this? This is again our series A. Okay, so this is again our A. So if I evaluate 1 minus A equals to A, I will get 1 equals to, this minus A will go that side, will become 2A. So ultimately I will have A equals to half. Okay, so I have evaluated value for A. So next we have to evaluate B. So before evaluating B, so we have to consider again A minus B equals to, so what was my A? My A was this alternating series 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, okay, so on up to minus, what is my B? 1 minus 2 plus 3 and so on. Okay, if I subtract, so 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay, minus 1 minus minus 2 means what? Minus 1 minus minus 2 means what? Minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so minus 1 plus 2 will be 1. Okay, again plus 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2. Okay, so next term will be, so what will be next term? So obvious guess is minus 4. Okay, so what we are getting? So we are getting again B. Okay, so what we have done, A minus B are evaluated equals to B, but we already know value of A, which is equals to half. Okay, so A minus, so this minus B will go that side, it will become B plus B 2B. Okay, that means our B is A by 2. Okay, so A by 2 means what? 1 by 2 divided by 2 means B equals to 1 by 4. Okay, so we got A, we also got B. So now we have to evaluate the required C's. Okay, what is C? C is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, this is our left hand side of this equation. Okay, so let's evaluate this. So next, now consider B minus C. Okay, we have to subtract C from B. So okay, so my B minus C was this 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 and so on. Okay, and what was my C? This was our 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so now I have to subtract this both the series. So 1 minus 1 will be 0, minus 2 will be minus 4, 3 minus 3 again will be 0, minus 4 minus 8, next time will be minus 12. Okay, so this is the series we are getting. Now if I take minus 4 common out, I'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. What is this? This is our required series. Okay, sum of all natural numbers. Okay, so what we have got 1 b minus c equals to minus 4, and what is this? This is nothing but our c. Okay, this minus c will go to that side, will become plus c, and that means minus c. So we'll get c is equals to minus 1 by 3 into b. Okay, so now what was my b? We have already evaluated b equals to 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 12. Okay, so this is what our c is. And what is c? C is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on, equals to minus 1 by 12. Okay, so we have proved this famous equation given by Ramanujan. So let me give you context of this. So this is not actually the equation, this is the particular case of Riemann zeta function. So what is Riemann zeta function? So let me give you idea about Riemann zeta function. So what is Riemann zeta function? So this is psi x equals to summation of 1 by n raised to s. Okay, so this s may be complex, real, anything. Okay, and this summation runs over natural numbers. So I told you just now that that famous equation given by Ramanujan is a special case of this Riemann zeta function. Means what? If I substitute s equals to minus 1, I will get that series. Okay, minus 1 equals to summation 1 by n raised to minus 1. This minus in inverse will go to numerator and become n, and this sum runs over natural number. So zeta minus 1 equals to, so summation over n, and n is running over natural number. So this is the series. Okay, and we have just proved that 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to minus 1 by 12. But see, sum of natural number will always diverges. Okay, so how can one equation have two answers? Okay, we will also know that this series diverges and answer is infinity, and we have just now proved that this sum of this series turns out to be minus 1 by 12. So how come one series have two different answers? So answer for this depend on the context. So in general its series diverges, but in analytic extension this series has some minus 1 by 12. Okay, so let me give you idea about the Riemann hypothesis. So this very famous function have one conjuncture. Okay,